Hello. Welcome back to Feral Art. How you doing? I am so happy tonight. I am so extremely, extraordinarily overwhelmed with happiness because I have my old tripod back and it's fixed and I don't have to deal with that piece of caca anymore. Ha ha ha. Also, I have a little something that could be happening here. Oh, we don't see how it goes. I decided that I want to do a straight pour with cloud mix on a big square canvas and see if I can make it go sort of in the way of a galaxy painting. I don't know how this is going to work, but I'm kind of excited to try. So I have a 20 by 20 level 3 artist loft canvas, and I'm knocking stuff over. It's taped and pinned on the back like so. And I have, for colors, Arteza Pearl Pistachio Green, Amsterdam Greenish Blue. Man, I haven't used this for a long time. I'm so excited. Pebeo Studios Iridescent Copper. Pebeo Studios Violet Blue Iridescent. Chrome Acrylic White. I think there's some satin enamel in that for my cloud mixture. Thinned it down just a little bit from the last cloud I did. I have these drips and they're so pretty. I think I'm going to pour it into a puddle of that, which could get a little scary with that pistachio green. But you don't try, you don't know. I have, this is some Amsterdam Titanium White mixed with some Pebeo Studios Iridescent Silver that was left over from something else. Because what I did was I mixed my painting colors for a 12 by 16, which is all well and good and great and stuff, except then I decided I wanted to do a 20 by 20. So there's a little size discrepancy there by about a factor of 2. So, cheers. Let's see how it goes. Get our cup going here. I'm going to put the teeniest bit of this silver mix in the bottom, just like that much. Then we have our Arteza and our greenish blue. I'm excited about using greenish blue, man. I ain't used it in a long time. Long time. And our copper. And our pink. This pink gave me a fit. She's like, why? You've got green in there. I was like, I don't know. They're not together. We'll see. It might be a mistake. Wouldn't be the first one I made. down goes our puddle of interesting. Quite this interesting, but oh well. results of my cloudy galaxy pour. Now, looks kind of boring from up here, doesn't it? But you get down here. Pearls. Rawr. But look at the lines. This is like a dreaming galaxy. It's so soft and so like calm, even with the stupid pearls. But look at all the fingerlings. These ones coming up are just on fire. Look at these coming up. Aren't those cool? That's what that pink and bronze did together. I think that's just beautiful. Now, I didn't paint my sides and edges, which is probably going to come back and haunt me because look at those. Look at those with the purple in them. Woohoo, baby. It looks purple. What the heck is it? Oh, it's I guess it's probably that blue, violet, and the greenish blue playing together. Pretty neat. Anyway, this is probably going to come back to haunt me, even not painting my sides and edges. But in my defense, I decided late that I was going to do a 20 by 20. Look at these lines in this corner. Is that nuts? Those are so pretty. I really do think this is pretty. It's just very soft. If I had it to do over again, I probably would use a darker green. I am not a great fan of this pistachio. It might grow on me. It's gonna dry a little darker. But I really like this over here. I'm sorry about the glare. I'm always gonna have glare. Anyway, I think it's really pretty. I think it's really soft. It's more soothing than you're usually gonna get out of my studio, I think. So anyway, I'll be back. Here are the dried results of my straight galaxy pour that I did with the pistachio and the cloud mix. I really like it. I think it turned out so nicely. I don't know whether we can catch it or not, but yeah, there it is. Look at that pistachio glow and look at that copper. This just tickles me half to death. I think it's so pretty. I did get some pearls in the corners, probably because I really only mixed enough paint for a 12 by 16 and I made it stretch to a 20 by 20. So, yeah, no, you're gonna have some residual issues from that. Oh, there's the sun. It's so pretty. It's so bright. I can't see what I'm doing. Anyway, I really like this. I think that these fingerlings are just phenomenal. I love how they look like they're on fire. And that pistachio, man, that made a mirror. So anyway, it's really hard to stay out of my light right now. So there is our lovely straight pour, lovely lines, great fingerlings, weird pearls. Nice, nice. I like it a lot. So thanks for watching. And thanks for always supporting. And I gotta get out of this sun before I melt. I'll see y'all next time.